The forest was still damp from the rain last night. Everything smelled fresh: pine, moss, earth. It felt like a tea morning. I walked slowly, no rush. Just watching, listening. I found some mint growing near the creek. Wild, untouched, sharp and clean. Further along, a few lemon leaves. Enough for warmth and a little flavor. I returned to camp and lit the fire. Small and quiet, like the morning. An old metal cup. Some river water. And the forest's offering. The fire crackled gently as the water came to life. Steam rose. I didn't stir it. I didn't sweeten it. I just waited. Out here, even waiting feels like doing something. The tea turned golden. The cup warmed my hands. The first sip tasted like silence. With a little bite of wild. I drank slow. Because peace doesn't come fast. If you like days like this, subscribe to BushBites for more calm from the wild.